Alright, this cooking class with me, man.
Alright, so they got that new Mountain Dew. I don't know what it is, but it's the mix. It's a mix of the regular Mountain Dew and the Code Red. And I don't feel like paying the price that they got at like $3. So we got the Code Red right here. Cooking class with me, man. We're gonna pour like 3 parts plutonium Code Red. Alright, that's enough. Bless you. Alright, I got you. And then we got the Mountain Doodle, the regular.
No, that's Code Geese.
This is the Code Red, as you can see. 18,000 parts regular Mountain Dew. Alright, that's good. And then with my stick I got right here, I'm gonna mix it up. Oops. And we're gonna put the top on. I've had this before. I paid the $3 and I was like, scrumptious. Well, it's great. You gotta do it right now.